Welcome to our tutorials on matrices. In this video, we shall embark upon an exhaustive examination of matrices, a paradigmatic concept in the realm of linear algebra. This fundamental notion pivotal to the elucidation of mathematical and scientific phenomena, incorporating theoretical perspectives. Okay, for our today tutorials, we've been started from matrices. Matrix is like this. This is a matrix. Let's say we have 7, -4, 3, and 5. So, in this case, what types of matrix is this? What type of matrix? So, we have to know the types of matrix. The matrix is 2 by 3 matrix. 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, there are the two ways to identify the matrices. Okay, the two ways are the row and column. Row and column. There are the two ways that we are to identify either matrix is 2 by 3 or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, let's have some example in this. Okay, let's say that for A we are to find 1 of 3, and for B we are to find, let's say, 3 of 1. Okay, let's say 2 of 1. Okay, to identify this, in A we have the row. The first number is the row, and the second number is the column. Okay, how can we find this inside these matrices? Okay, A says that 1, this is number 1. 1 of 3. This one is the row, this is our row, and this is the column, and this is our column. Okay, we are having 1 and the second 1, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is what we count 1 here, and here we are having. So therefore, A 1, 3 is equals to -4, because we count 1 in 2 and we count our 3 and we stop at 4, -4. So therefore, A 1, 3 is -4. Let's see for pi B. This is 2, 1. 1, 2. Our 2 is in 6 and we are having 1. We have to count 1 in column. 1 is directly 1, which is 6, which is absolutely 6. So therefore, our B 2, 1 is equals to 6. Okay, that's how to identify some matrices. Okay, let's have another example. Let's say we're having B. We have matrices, and let's say we have 4, 5. Here let's say 3. I'm just seeking for some examples. Let's say we have -4, 1, -2, 9, and -7. Okay, let's say A we are to find 1 of 4. For B we are to find 2 of 3, and for C we are to find 3 of 2. Okay, let's find the solution of this. In A says that we are to find 1 of 4. We have to first count the row. The row here we're having 1. What of the column? We're having 1, 2, 3, and 4. So therefore, -2 is our 1 of 4 in this matrix B. We're having -2 here. And let's see for 5B. We're having B is 2, 3, we have to count to 1, 2. Here is 2. And in the column, we have to count 3. 1, 2, 3. We're having negative 4, our answer. Okay, let's see for C. C, we're having 3. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 of 2. 1, 2. We are having 8. So therefore, 8 is our answer for this question. Okay, let's identify some orders. We have to identify the order A, the order B, and the order C. As I said it before, this line is called our row. This row is called our row. And the horizontal one is called the column. This is the column. So therefore, here is our row. We're having how many numbers? 1, 2. And also the column, we are having how many numbers? 2 numbers. 1 and 2. So therefore, the metric is the first we are having, the row we are having 2, and the column we also have 2. So therefore, the metric is 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, for the phi B, this is like I'm just saying like it's 1 by 1 matrix because the row contains only 1 and the column also contains only 1. So therefore, the matrix is 1 by 1 matrix. Okay, let's see for C. We're having how many rows? 1, 2, 3. We're having 3 rows. 3 by, okay, let's see our column. 1, 2, 3. Also, the column is also 3. So therefore, the matrix is 3 by 3. So therefore, this is how to identify matrices and how to find matrix A when you are given a number either 1 of 3 or 1 of something or 3 of something. This is how to identify matrices, how to identify their column and rows. And this is how to calculate, or let me say how to find some simple problems in the matrices when you are only given and only metric questions like this, like we solve for A 1 of 3 and 2 of 3.